students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is this and that. In today's session, we will understand about this and that. You know students, this is used when things are near to us. When things are near to us, we use this. We use that when things are far away from us. जब चीज़ें हमसे बहुत दूर होती है तब हम that का यूज़ करते हैं. जब चीज़ें पास होती है तब हम this का यूज़ करते हैं. This and that both are used when things are one in number. जब things एक ही होती है, हम singular की बात करते हैं, one की बात करते हैं, तब हम this और that का यूज़ करते हैं. कोई भी चीज़ जब एक ही है तब हम this का यूज़ करेंगे या फिर that का यूज़ करेंगे. this का यूज़ करेंगे जब things near होगी. that का यूज़ करेंगे जब things far away होगी. This is used with near objects. That is used with far away objects. Let us see examples to understand this concept more easily. Here you can see a nib and nib is close to me, near to me. Nib तो मेरे पास ही है. So I will say this is a nib. What I will say? This is a nib. क्योंकि nib 1 है और मेरे पास भी है. So मैं बोलूँगी this is a nib. Now you can see a top. क्या top मेरे पास है? No, it is far away. ये तो दूर है. So what I will say? That. I will say that. That is a top. I will say that is a top. nib मेरे पास थी इसलिए मैंने बोला this. top मेरे से दूर है इसलिए मैं बोलूँगी that. Now you can see fox. fox मेरे पास है तो मैं बोलूँगी this is a fox. Now dog. dog तो दूर है तो क्या बोलेंगे हम? That is a dog. Next we have is pod. pod तो पास में है तो we will say this is a pod. Next is a cot. cot जो कि दूर है तो मैं बोलूँगी that is a cot. That is a cot क्योंकि cot दूर है. Students, you can easily identify all of the things are only one in number. जब one in number है तब हम this और that का use कर रहे हैं. We just have to use our brain whether it is near or far. If it is near, we will use this. If it is far, we will use that. This is a pin. That is a pot. Pin मेरे पास ही है. So I will say this is a pin. pot मेरे से दूर है. So I will say that is a pot. Here you can see a mop. Is it near? Yes. So we will say this is a mop. Next you can see a rod. rod तो कितना दूर है. So we will say that is a rod. Dash is a rod. That is a rod. Now we will say this is a lid. This is a lid. lid क्योंकि पास है. And now cap which is far away. So we will say that is a cap. That is a cap. Next you can see a wall. Wall is near to us. So we will say this is a wall. But now this bell is far away. So we will say that is a bell. Now we have a pen. You can see this pen is close to me. So I will say this is a pen. मैं क्या बोलूँगी? This is a pen. क्योंकि near है, pen तो पास है, तो near के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? This. This is a pen. Next is cat. क्या cat मेरे पास है? No, it is not. So we will say that is a cat. That is a cat. Next is bin. Bin is near to me. This is a bin. This is a bin. Next is bed. But bed is far away. So we will say that is a bed. Now you can see a bag. This is a bag. क्योंकि बैग पास में है. But next is mat. क्या mat पास में है? No. So we will say that is a mat. Next is ball, which is near. So it becomes this is a ball. This is a ball. Next is well, but it is not near to us. So we will say that is a well. क्योंकि well बहुत दूर है और 1 ही नंबर में है. So we will say that is a well. Next is bib, which is near. So we will say this is a bib. Next is pit, which is far away. So we will say that is a pit. That is a pit. Next is van, and it is very close to us. So it will become this is a van. And the last is net. That is a net. क्योंकि net तो दूर है. That's all, students, for today's concept of this and that. When things are near to us, we will say this. When things are far away, we will say that. This and that both are used when things are only 1 in number. That's all for today's session.